Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity to present the research results entitled Fun Classroom, How STEM Learning as the First Experience is Responded by 7th graders and science teachers in Suburb-Area. Our outline presentation is like this: introduction, problem, method and instrument, research and discussion, and conclusion. Come to the introduction. I think we have already known that STEM learning being popular in the world of education nowadays. Yeah, because this STEM learning develops students' ability to integrate cross-disciplinary or multidisciplinary knowledge and learn problem-solving skills directly. In Indonesia, implementation of STEM learning has begun starting from 5 years ago, but mostly in big cities, not in remote area. Since STEM learning can accommodate the new paradigm of new curriculum Merdeka Belajar in all areas, so all of school has to implement this. So we have to find the solution regarding to STEM implementation in the remote area. And the solution is using local issues, using local wisdom for STEM learning. So the research question is, how is the implementation of STEM learning accommodate the local wisdom in remote area school? How is the STEM literacy of students? How students and teachers respond to the STEM learning? In this research, we use the qualitative methods with deep descriptive analysis to picture how the student learning with the project-based learning STEM for the first experience. This is about the student and teacher's perspective. And the pre-experimental design was used to learn the impact of the model to the STEM literacy. Here is the steps of PJBL STEM learning. Yeah, it consists of 6 steps. The first 2 steps is for inquiry processes learning to enhance critical thinking and understanding concept. In those steps, we use jigsaw strategy. Step 3 and step 4 are for designing and generating processes to enhance creative thinking skills. Step 5 is for product, the prototype, to enhance creativity, and the last step is for redesign and communication. The lesson plan use the project making otok-otok wood. I think this otok-otok wood is a local wisdom in a school in remote area, especially in the beach. Yeah, the science concept to be learned are heat and energy change. Science teachers propose the criteria to successfulness the otok-otok wood. Yeah, 3 criteria: can move in a straight line, have a speed no less than 4 meters per minute, and waterproof. Yeah, by the audio recording, it was revealed some questions proposed by students, and this is what teacher want to hear actually. Yeah, some questions are, for example, what is it made from? What is the base concept, the basic concept? How can we design it? Is the boat meet the criteria? Can it work properly? Yeah, so those are some questions. Some question related concept is were also proposed by students. If we need the heat appropriate for the boat move, what is the volume of water needed? Yeah, and etc. and etc. And this is the very good quality question for student. Come from the from the communication. Yeah, in the groups. Why does this otok-otok wood have to be filled with water, while water can extinguish fires as the main source of the boat's engine. Yeah, what does the boat hull we make have to be a bit wide? Yeah. What will happen if the tip of the boat is not, say, sharp? What effect does it have on the speed of the boat? Yeah, so this is a kind of a very good quality equation, and this is a kind of good interaction among the students in groups. Yeah, and by the observation, it is so that the interaction between student and teachers is also established. The good interaction between student and materials learning showed by the observation. Yeah, students seek for the literatures from the internet on using googling, yeah, googling, and from the books. I think this is the kind of interaction between student and materials. So these results shown the increasing of STEM literacy. But does every student have a shift in positive direction or vice versa? So we do the stacking analysis to see the shift of student abilities individually. By the picture, it is shown that most of students show a shift in the increase of student STEM literacy, but a few show the decreasing. For example, student number 22, yeah, with the red circle, achieved the logic of pretest near 0. This means high score compared to the logic post-test lower score -4. The same case are also shown by student number 6 and 4. The other case is raised. Student number 20 is a smart student with the purple circle. Yeah, she has the high logic score even in pretest and post-test. So the increasing is not so significant. We have also the case of student number 31 and others with the green rectangle, so that the lowest post-test than pretest. So this is maybe because of they did the test not seriously enough. Yeah. So we come to the conclusion. Science learning with the STEM approach is very promising to be developed to support the independent learning curriculum Merdeka Belajar. STEM learning with a local context provided added value for students to better understand the phenomena they often encounter in their daily lives. Student at the school that is far from the city is no longer an obstacle to teach a student with a STEM approach. Yeah, this is our final session. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.